If your money is stable, but your body feels compressed, this is structural. Nothing is wrong. It's just inefficient to keep this the way it is. Your bills are paid, your income is predictable, your life technically works, and yet your shoulders stay tense, your jaw stays tight, your nervous system never fully powers down. You wake up tired, even when nothing is wrong. That disconnect isn't imaginary. Your body is responding to something your mind keeps rationalizing. You tell yourself, I should be grateful. This is what stability looks like. I asked for this. So you override the signal. But the body doesn't speak in gratitude language, it speaks in pressure, tension, compression. When the body feels tight while the money is stable, that's not anxiety. That's structure lagging behind capacity. Most people label this as stress, burnout, trauma, mindset issues. So they meditate more, journal harder, try to relax their way out of a structural problem. And that never works because the body isn't reacting to fear, it's reacting to load. Your system is carrying more than it was designed to hold in its current configuration. Let me be precise. Money stability increases responsibility density, more decisions, more consequences, less margin for error. If your life structure didn't expand alongside the money, time, boundaries, support, rhythm, your body absorbs the excess pressure. Compression isn't weakness, compression is feedback. Your container is undersized. Compressed looks like always being on, never fully exhaling, feeling watched by your own obligations. Rest that doesn't restore. You're not tired because you're lazy. You're tired because your system never closes its loops. Stability without spaciousness creates a low grade survival state. That's why people with money still feel trapped. And the longer you tolerate it, the more it costs you. This is the work I do. I don't motivate, I don't soothe, I don't teach coping inside broken structures. I remove inefficiency from lives that already function. Because when structure matches capacity, the body relaxes without effort. If your money is stable, but your body feels compressed, you don't need another mindset shift. You need the structure corrected. The diagnostic is below. If you want it removed, move. If not, keep paying it.
Concrete production.